Welcome back to the Jacob Crypto Bury channel. Hope you guys are well. We've seen a very volatile week for the crypto space. We're checking out Notcoin today, which is actually proving to be really bullish despite the upheaval in the crypto markets. I hope you guys are feeling refreshed, ready for a new week. I hope you haven't made any sort of irrational decisions during this volatility in the market as well. So let's look at Notcoin, $0.01739, $1.7 billion market cap. Look at that. 21% increase on the 7 days. It's looking very, very strong at the moment. Getting back to some previous resistical barriers, if you want to call them that. So 0.02 will be a big price target here for Notcoin. And I think, we're not that far off. We could actually see this. I've been holding this one for some time, saying how this is potentially a good project to get into with its strong total and circ supply, low market cap, and big appetite in the play to earn space. Looking at their Twitter now, 1.8 million followers, so it does look pretty cool. It says they've also got some artwork being formed, as you can see. It says a work for Not Art contest from Yaroslav Kinchin. The video was filmed with money earned in the Notcoin app. So that's kind of cool. So he didn't use any of his own money, I guess. It was money earned and generated from the application itself. So when we look at the website, still not a big giveaway. Can't really see a lot. Sometimes it's showing me crazy things on this website, but right now I can't really see a lot. But just want to look at this price action because we can see Notcoin launched and had a very, very large sort of appetite at first, had a huge rush of buyers pushing it to that sort of greed and euphoria zone. But then the friction of the bear market actually allowed this to come down to some sub 30, sub 40, well I say sub 30, but sub 40 on the daily RSI, sub 30 most likely on the 4 hour. As you can see, really, really oversold, and we don't get that level of, oversoldness, if you want to call it, not really a word, but like with this particular altcoin, we've not seen it yet because there's not enough data, it hasn't traded long enough, we don't have any data on the weekly for the RSI, but that was a really good bounce right below that 20-day moving average, and since then, it's just popped off. It's really up very nicely, even though it's a bearish time right now, it's up 2x during this bearish phase, which is beautiful to see. Considering I do hold it, I'm quite happy, and I know people in my Discord are also holding this as well. So do get yourself down below as well, by the way, into the Discord channel. It's definitely a place to come hang out, and you can still make a lot of money, even in the Discord channel, even when things are bearish. You can see a lot of my guys are making massive gains in the crypto market. So check out the Patreon, check out the Discord if you're interested in that sort of stuff. Crypto bubbles today on the week, we're very red. On the day, we're starting to see a little bit of light at the end of the tunnel, but not quite enough just yet. We've still got to persevere, still need resilience. We've still got to push through this barrier of bearishness because we are down to 28 on that fear and greed index at the moment. Still also a red month, July still being red. I mean, we're 1 week in, 25% of the month is up, still at a red. And I think we could even print a red August, or maybe not a super good August, but I think September will be the one. Typically we get bad Septembers, and you can actually see that is true, that most Septembers are bad. I mean, I think October, no matter what, is probably going to be good because look at all the data supporting it. October, November are the big ones I'm waiting for. We don't know how high crypto will go, but historically we know they do quite well. Furthermore, guys, Pepe Unchained, a new meme coin in the crypto space. Do remember, this is not financial advice, is nearly about to hit its next stage target, which means the price goes up yet again. Pepe is $0.008325 right now, and very soon, probably tomorrow, or in 1 day, 16 hours, if they raise another 250k, the price of this layer 2 meme coin will go up. It's a Pepe coin alternative. They're going to have their own dedicated block explorer because it's a layer 2 infrastructure, and I think there's a lot going for it. Of course, it's not KYC'd, it's not docked, so it is a super high risk, high reward token. But if you like your meme coins and you do fancy a diversification, maybe you're a bit bored of the current plays that you're taking, this could be one that does potentially quite well. 692% staking rewards. It's a low market cap meme coin which will launch in a few weeks' time and could potentially be one of the next top 25 meme coins in the crypto space. Of course, not financial advice. Link down below to research it. They just raised $2.5 million, and you can see that a lot of, I guess, impressions and volume and overall eyes on this particular matter. So big thing for Pepe Unchained. Check that out down below. Reverting back to Notcoin, just want to talk about the price action again. Big layer of support at 0.014. Of course, the resistance is at $0.029. Now, if we take this swing high to this swing low, we're going to get like some realistic targets. And I think overall, we want to see Notcoin smash through these fib targets. We want to see it go up to 0.04. I think that can happen at some point, but we do have very first this area of resistance to get through, which is 0.021. A little bit of a psychological area. I honestly think this coin can delete a zero at some point in time, and Notcoin is one of my favorites. If you want to buy Notcoin, also KSX link down below to do it if you wish. Not financial advice, of course. Crypto is volatile. We don't know the future, but we can see this coin did have a strong inception, up 5x. Corrected down ultimately to its 0.786 fib level. So those 0.786 fib levels are important, and if we do actually go to this golden pocket, then we can look at the next future sort of support region that you could be looking out for, which will be at the 0.015. That could be the next sort of bottom. Bitcoin price risks double top. 5 things to know in Bitcoin this week. Just before we do wrap up, Bitcoin price disappoints with weekly close, leading to accusations of a dead cat bounce from Bitcoin traders. Wary of new lows. So yeah, in my opinion, we haven't seen Bitcoin go that low. It's not really done its 40% thing. Correction, you know. Bitcoin enters the second week of July in a dangerous place with traders scared of further Bitcoin price downside. After its lowest weekly close in 4 months, Bitcoin is giving bulls nightmares as unrealized losses mount and with forecasts of more pain ahead. Well, the thing is, I don't really understand how you can have unrealized losses or even losses at this point. Because my question to most people, who on earth is buying Bitcoin at 60k? Who is buying Bitcoin at 70k? And unfortunately, if you are in a loss, I think personally, if you didn't take advantage of the bear market, look at the price opportunity you had here at 15k, 17k, 21k, even 30k region is a brilliant area to get into. So you should have got into the bear market so you could be bulletproof during volatility in the, the more of the macro bull run. Not a problem, but it's always something you can learn for the next time round. Guys, please subscribe if you want to make money this bull run, next bull run, and also the upcoming bear market in a year or so. And if you want to become a patron, you can sign up to be a patron down below, where you're going to get access to all of the VIP areas in the Discord, spot signals, trade signals, leverage signals. You're going to get meme signals straight to DEX coins, early access to whitelistings, pre-sales, ICOs, all that juicy stuff. Only 17 crypto legend packages are available, so slap them up whilst they're still there, ladies and gents. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. See you lovely people. Bye for now. Peace.